In this video, I'm going to be talking about one of the most common questions that patients ask me. Why do my teeth keep breaking? Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa Huang from White Horse Dental. Sometimes the first time people come in is because of a dental emergency. What's happened is they've eaten something, might have been a piece of bread, or sometimes it's not even something very hard, and boom, a piece of their tooth falls off. And straight away, they're on the phone to the dentist trying to ring around to get the first available appointment to get that fixed. That's really inconvenient and can be quite distressing for people. There are a few reasons why teeth break, and I'm going to go through the common reasons today and how we can fix them. One of the common reasons why people have weak teeth is because of teeth grinding, also known as bruxism. It's very common and directly related to weakening of teeth. Some may clench their teeth throughout the day, other people clench and grind their teeth at night time. This puts the teeth under excessive pressure and makes them wear down more quickly, making them more prone to breaking and chipping. If you clench and grind your teeth during the day or at night, it increases the chance of you experiencing teeth breakages. The second thing that makes teeth more prone to chipping and breaking is the overuse of fillings. If you find yourself visiting the dentist every 1 or 2 years for new fillings, this too can lead to the weakening of your teeth. If your tooth has gone through repeated cycles of filling and refilling, eventually your tooth becomes more filling than tooth. The definition of a filling is that it fills a hole. Most long-lasting fillings only fill a small hole in the tooth, so there's plenty of the original tooth structure to support the filling. A hole that's bigger than, say, 50% of your tooth leads to the tooth being structurally weakened. The remaining bits of tooth structure supporting the filling become thin and brittle, much like an eggshell. A filling in this case does nothing to support the vulnerable bits of tooth structure that's trying to hold everything together. And the larger your filling becomes, the weaker the rest of your tooth gets. Sometimes it doesn't take much for that thin bit of eggshell piece to just bust off. A lot of people come in telling me that all they were eating is a bit of soft bread and a large piece of their tooth just came away. Sometimes when a tooth has been weakened by repeated filling procedures, what it needs is to be strengthened and protected by a crown. A crown is a bit like a helmet for your tooth. It covers and protects everything and stops the insides from breaking. Dental crowns are great for returning the tooth back to its full strength, and it allows you to chew whatever you want with a peace of mind that nothing is going to break off. One of the biggest concerns for a procedure like a crown is the expense. Crowns do require a higher upfront investment than a large filling, but since teeth with large fillings often require refilling every few years, over time the cost of all the fillings can add up to be many more times than that of a crown. With proper care and maintenance, crowns can last over 12 years and not need any other treatment. Repeated filling procedures can often result in the tooth becoming so damaged and weakened that sometimes they can't be saved, or they may require other complex procedures like a root canal before they can be strengthened with a crown. So the longer you leave your tooth in its weakened state, the more complex it may be to build it back to its full strength. At our practice, we genuinely care. We're committed to providing beneficial long-term solutions for our patients rather than a quick fix. When you come into our clinic to have a filling done or a broken tooth repaired, our dentists will brainstorm the big picture. This includes identifying the root cause of all your teeth problems and how we can best prevent further damage in the future. We treat the mouth as a whole, rather than just focusing on one problem at a time. What this means is that in 5 years, in 10 years' time, your teeth will be in a better position than what they were today. That's the kind of treatment that we want for our friends and family, and that's the kind of treatment that you deserve. You don't have to suffer from teeth breaking all the time. We'd love to help you restore your teeth and your confidence so that you have the ability to live and enjoy your teeth without inhibition. Get in touch with our friendly team today and find out how you can make your teeth healthy and strong for life.